Hello students and welcome back to your English language online class. Okay, so by far we have completed your composition writing, most of it. Then we have completed unseen passage. Last week we've been working on a lot of unseen passage, and I'm sure you're getting the concept and you're getting it how to do it. Then we have done letter writing. We will do revision very soon. Okay, so right now I'm talking about what we have completed. Then we have done notice and email writing. Okay, now out of the four composition writing that we will be coming for examination, one we haven't practiced at all, and that is a short story or a story writing, isn't it? So many of you would like to attempt that. Okay, so this is for them or for all of you who are like interested in writing a short story or story writing. Okay, so what explanation I can give you is like, you know what is a story writing, isn't it? You know what is a story. Some of you must be really good in telling or narrating a story, isn't it? Now all of you, for whoever is interested in writing a story or looking forward to write a short story, uh, first of all, many of you, as I've said, like many of you must be really good in narrating, isn't it, a story verbally, but writing is equally difficult. Okay, so here for your 35 minutes that you have to give for your composition writing, writing a story is quite a difficult task. Okay, in 35 minutes. Okay, like when you're writing a story, you have to bring the impact or command over the one who is reading your short story, isn't it? So it is quite a difficult topic to attempt for in 35 minutes, but still you can try doing it, unless you have a good command over the language. Okay, so and the ability to weave a unique plot for all the readers. Okay, you can definitely make through story writing. Okay, now the story should be original, for it is like specifically enamorated in the, like, which states like write an original short story. So the question is like that, write an original short story. So here you are going to write about something that you might have faced some or the other, or you have read, you have come across such kind of incident, and that you're going to write it. Okay, so basically you're going to make a story which is quite an original, which is like there is a chances of happening it. So that is what we are going to do when we are trying to attempt for short story. So in 35 minutes, of course it is a difficult one, but if you have a good command over your language, you can go through, you can like thoroughly you can do it. Okay, you can weave a unique plot for all the readers. Okay, and you can bring a great impression, okay, for all the readers. So this is what a short story is. I just like to say that much. Now I'll be giving you, based on that, I'll be giving you some topics. Okay, work on that, try writing it, try to make, like, in a very short way, try to make a good and a unique plot for all the readers. Okay, see as much as possible examples, samples, how to write a short story or a story writing, and then try to write it down in your copy. Okay, language is something, the more you practice, the better you become. Okay, just like mathematics, so you have to keep on practicing. Okay, uh, that is it. Okay, for today, I'll give you some questions, work on those, and then send me. Okay, and one more grammar work to be done. Okay, out of two, subject verb agreement is already done, that is coming for exam, and one more grammar portion is there to do, that is join the sentences without using and, but, or so. So we'll be doing that in our next class after we complete doing 4 to 5 topics of short story. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.